Hello everyone, today we will discuss about loops. So first of all, create a new file and name it loops and press enter. Remove this. And there are different kinds of loops. So first of all, we will talk about for loop. So for and we will use $a is equal to 10. Or so you want to print the table of 10. So how will we do it? So there are many ways. So for example, one way is $echo $a and multiplied by 1. Okay, so what will we get? And then duplicate these 2 times and multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 4. So what if we want to? So let's first check it. Okay, let me show you this page, and now you can see 10, 20, 30 and 40. So let's, and so if you want to print this 10 table up to 100, so what we will do, we will write it 100 times, and if you want to execute it up to 1000, so what we will do, up to 1000 times, so it will be very difficult. So for this purpose we will use for loop. So for $a or $i is equal to 0 and $a is less than 10 and what, $i plus. So this means $i is equal to I plus 1, and this is the increment. So now what we will do, echo $i first, so that we know that the value of I is changing. So let's check it. So we see nothing here. Is a $i, and let's check it. So now you can see the value of I has been incremented from 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So when first this loop execute for the first time, the I value is 0. So we show that in the browser. In the next time it comes, so this value has been incremented by 1. So the I value is 1, which is shown here in the browser. And then we have it and the third time 3. So let me show it. Let's break the line. So dot br. So now you can see it clearly. So you can see for the first time it is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, up to 9. So what will we do now? $i $a multiplied by $i. Okay, so we will get the result, and now you can see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so now let's show it as a table. So $a dot multiplied by dot $i dot is equal to, and the dot. So what will we see now? $a means 10, so 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to this one. Okay, so now let's check it, and now you can see 10 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, 10 multiplied by 1 is 10, 10 multiplied by 2 is 20, and in the similar way 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So now we have that up to 20, up to 9. So what if you want to print the table of 10 up to 50? So what we will do, we will change this value to 50, and we will write it is equal to, now you can see we have 10 table up to 50, so 10 50 the 500. Okay, so if we remove this is equal to, so we have to write it here 51. So now let's check it, and it will give us the same result, and now you can see same result has been here. Okay, so now let's change it to 20 for example, so it will show us up to 19 because it starts from 0 is equal to, and now okay, so you can see the result. So that's easy. With just 3 lines of codes we have written all of these. Okay, so that's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks, and see you in the next video.